welcome to my AI channel. In the last video, we explored the text-to-video generator. If you haven't watched it yet, please refer to the description or click the I symbol above. In today's video, we will delve into creating YouTube videos using Invideo AI. So, let's begin. Step 1. Proceed to Invideo.ai using the video description link. Upon arrival, proceed to register using your Gmail or Google account. This will swiftly grant you access to the AI tool. We can able to create a video in two ways. Number 1 is we can directly input the text in the highlighted area. Number 2, click on the Select Workflow drop-down menu located in the right corner. You will discover a variety of options, including YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, recent video events, and script to video. For instance, if you choose YouTube Shorts, you will be prompted to provide input details such as description, gender, voice, subtitles, and image type. After inputting these details, click Continue, and the tool will begin generating a video for you. However, I'm gonna use first option here. Before that, I wanna tell you, Invideo has a super cool feature. It allows you reference any blog post or article from the web for creating a script. You share the link article which AI can pick from the link. It will read through entire post and pick out relevant info. Keep them in mind. Here is how we can write the prompt for this video.
Create a video for YouTube short on 5 morning habits that will change your life. Keep the duration under 45 seconds. Start the video by introducing the topic and use the title as the intro text. Then give the 5 habits and illustrate each with relevant stock clips. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Conclude the video by asking viewers which habit they will work on first. Use an energetic American female voice for the voiceover. Pick points from this article.
Now, as you can see, I have included few key details in the prompt and also recommend you to use while writing yours. Number 1 platform, are its YouTube Shorts. 2. Topic of the video, give much as you can. 3. Duration of the video. 4. Tone of voice and style of scripting. 5. Type of voiceover. 6. Any additional points or links. Now when you click on Generate, Invideo AI will ask you for a few more details such as target audience you want and look and feel you want for the video based on your prompt. Once you click on Continue after choosing those, Invideo will create first draft in just a few minutes. Now, since we've already given it a pretty detailed prompt, there shouldn't be a lot of changes, but like with any AI tool, the results might not always be 100% accurate and we might need to make a few minor adjustments. But before we do, let me show you the first couple of seconds of the video without any changes.
Let's dive into 5 habits that can revolutionize your day. 1. Wake up early. Seize the day before everyone else. 2. Hydrate first. Kickstart your metabolism with a glass of water. 3. Indulge in movement. A quick jog, yoga, or dancing. Anything to get the blood pumping.
This is really impressive. Invideo AI has created a very high-quality video that can be published on Shorts as it without any edits. It turned inputs into an engaging script with a human-sounding voiceover. Next, it is matched every line of text with hyper-relevant stock footage from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock that come with Invideo AI. And it added important text as subtitle on screen. And it cut and edited all of this in sync with the voiceover. However, I do want to make a few changes. So, let's see how we can do that. Now there are 3 ways that you make changes to this video. Firstly, if you find the video's feel and structure unsatisfactory, utilize the plus icon above the canvas to modify the audience type, look, and feel. This prompts the AI to generate a completely new draft. However, if you're content with the current results and only need a few adjustments, opt for the edit option below the canvas. This provides the choice to edit the media or edit the script. If you decide to alter a couple of video clips, you can utilize the edit media option. This action opens up a media timeline, displaying all the clips used. From there, you can choose the clip you wish to replace, either with your own or by searching for a different one in the stock library. For example, if there's a clip you don't like, you can replace it by searching for a suitable one in the stock library. On the other hand, clicking on the Edit Script option opens up the entire script, allowing you to make straightforward changes. Enter the desired text, and this will subsequently alter the voiceover. After making all the changes, don't forget to apply the option. Moving on, the third step involves the best and easiest way to make changes to your video, directly instructing the AI. This feature, unlike any other tool, allows you to ask the AI to change the music, delete particular scenes, and make other adjustments through a drop-down menu. If the results aren't to your liking, you can always press the undo arrow to revert to the previous version and try again. Let's now check out our final version.
Unlock the day with 5 morning habits that will change your life. 1. Rise with the sun. Let the early light set your internal clock. 2. Hydrate before caffeinate. Start with a glass of water. 3. Get moving. A short walk or stretch can do wonders. 4. Plan your day. Setting goals is the first step to achieving them. 5. Practice gratitude. It's a positive way to start the day. Now, which habit will you work on first? Remember, change starts with a single step. Make your mornings count.
The clips look absolutely fantastic. You can now easily download the video and publish it wherever you desire. While upgrading to a paid plan is necessary to remove watermarks, beginners can still create and download up to 4 videos every week. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to use the chat icon to connect with our 24/7 support team, ensuring response times of less than 30 to 50 seconds. As evident, transforming your ideas into publish-ready videos has never been simpler. If you haven't given Invideo AI a try yet, it's certainly worth exploring.